3a, let us do it together. Chala, tell me how to go about it. Sin 3a is equal to, so sin 2a plus a is sin 2a cos a plus cos 2a sin a. Now sin 2a 2 sin a cos a into cos a plus cos 2a. Now we want cos 2a in terms of sine. Therefore, let us use this formula. So cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a into sine. Correct? Now the only term which is remaining, which we don't want in final answer, is cos square a. So 2 sin a inside bracket cos square a. What should we replace cos square a by? 1 minus sin square a plus, this is already done, so sin a minus 3 sin cube a. Okay, now let us simplify. So this is 2 sin a minus 2 sin cube a, बरोबर, plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a, which is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, sin 3 need to be remembered. Now everything, these are basic formulae, we all must remember them. What will be next question? Cos 3. Cos 2a plus a, which is equal to cos 2a cos a minus sin 2a sin a. Now cos 2a I want to get into cos, therefore 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a minus 2 sin a cos a sin a, which is 2 cos cube a minus cos a multiplied minus 2 sin square a, which is 1 minus cos square a into cos a, which is equal to 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a plus 2 cos cube a, which is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a is equal to cos 3a. Need to be remembered. So it is going to be, we start with something very small and we are trying to build and we have reached this stage. Cos 3. We started with definition, sine and cos. And everything is falling in place. Everything is getting developed itself. We are just taking some direction. Now, so if we have done something for sine and cos, we must do it for tan. Therefore, find what is tan a plus b. Formula for tan a plus b. 1 minus tan a tan b. How do we go about it? So it is sin a plus b upon cos a plus b. बरोबर? So now we know sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by cos a plus b also we know, which is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And now we want to express it in terms of tan. Therefore, sin cos, if we want expression, then this is the expression. But if we want to express it in terms of tan, then we need to do something about it, and therefore we divide numerator and denominator by cos a cos b. So when I divide this term by cos a cos b, I get tan a. Cos b cancel. This term by cos a cos b, I get tan b. divided by this term by cos A cos B I get 1 minus this term by cos A cos B I get tan A tan B. So this is another important formula, tan A plus B is equal to this. And hence we would like to find out tan 2A and tan 3A. Tan 2A and tan 3A. So what is tan 2A? 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. And tan 3A set you need to do little bit of calculations. So 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. And what is tan 3A you are getting? 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. And we have not yet found out what is tan A minus B. We found out tan A plus B. What is tan A minus B? Okay, now let me ask, anybody having any difficulty so far, whatever we have done, is there any difficulty? Not understood. How did you get this particular formula? How have you found out this identity? Any difficulty in any discussions that we have done so far? No. Very good. Okay. Now we have to do a big job. One minus. Now we want to find out tan A minus B. What should we do? So we should replace B by opposite of tan A plus opposite of B. What we want to do now is, say for example, I want to make entry over here. So I will ask a question. Sine pi by 2 minus theta. We know the answer. Cos theta. Maybe cos pi by 2 minus theta. I know the answer. Sine theta. But we don't know the answers for sine pi minus theta. We don't know. We need to find out. Sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. We don't know what it is. We need to find out. So maybe that is a good job for you guys to complete this table. And which formulae that you are required to use every now and then? So let us see whether all of you remember that or not. Shall we, amongst those four formulae, amongst the four formulae, which four formulae? Cos alpha minus beta, cos alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha plus beta. Whether we remember or not. ठीक आहे, आर यू रेडी? एकदा वाचून घ्या चारी फॉर्म्युले. मी रँडमली विचारतो, पटकन सांगता आले पाहिजे. cos alpha minus beta, cos alpha plus beta, sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha plus beta. चला, let us take the test. Okay. हाँ, पहला बेंच. Okay. Sin A minus B.
Sin A sin B. Yes, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
बरोबर आहे. cos alpha minus beta.
Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta.
शाबास. sin alpha plus beta.
sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta.
बरोबर. sin alpha minus beta.
sin alpha sin beta नहीं sin alpha minus beta ना फिर sin alpha cos beta minus plus sin alpha
परत एकदा. साइन अल्फा मायनस नाही लिहून देऊन नाही डोळ्यासमोर असं डोळे बंद करून साइन अल्फा मायनस बीटा इज इक्वल टू
sin alpha cos beta minus cos beta sin
दोन्ही वेळा तेच टर्म सांगितली ना.
alpha.
साइन ए मायनस बी, साइन ए कॉस बी मायनस
cos A sin
जमेल जमेल.
ते म्हणजे
हो हो पण ते सगळं हो आम्हाला माहिती आहे, फक्त तू सांगायला पाहिजेस व्यवस्थित.
sin A cos B cos A sin B
मध्ये साइन कोणतं?
minus
मायनस. शाबास. हां, साइन ए प्लस बी.
sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
शाबास. कॉस ए मायनस बी.
Cos A minus B.
येस, कॉस ए मायनस बी.
Cos A cos B plus cos B sin A cos sin B.
हां, कॉस ए प्लस बी.
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B.
शाबास. साइन ए प्लस बी.
sin a cos b plus cos a sin beta.
साइन ए मायनस बी.
Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
कॉस ए प्लस बी.
cos a cos b minus beta.
कॉस ए मायनस बी.
cos a cos b plus sin a sin beta.
साइन ए प्लस बी.
Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
साइन ए मायनस बी. कॉस ए मायनस बी.
cos a cos b plus sin a sin beta.
साइन ए प्लस बी.
Sin A cos B plus cos B sin B.
दोन्ही वेळेला सेम. साइन ए कॉस बी आणि कॉस बी साइन ए म्हणजे सेमच होतात ना.
Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
शाबास. साइन ए मायनस बी.
Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B.
शाबास. कॉस ए प्लस बी.
Cos A cos B minus sin A cos B minus cos A
झालं. परत एकदा. कॉस ए प्लस बी
plus
इज इक्वल टू
cos A cos B minus
इथपर्यंत मायनस पर्यंत बरोबर आहे. पुढचं सांग काय ते. हां, कॉस ए मायनस बी.
cos A cos B plus sin A
कॉस ए प्लस बी.
cos A sin B.
बघ एकदा चारी. येस काय दोन वेळा लिहिले का? बरं, शेवटी कॉट पाहिजे. अरे चारी फॉर्म्युले लक्षात पाहिजेत सगळ्यांच्या. येत आहेत का? सोपे. सो नाव युझिंग दीज फोर फॉर्म्युले यू शुड बी एबल टू complete this table. Pause. So sine, this was old. I mean, this is school stuff. Pi by 2 minus theta and cos pi by 2 minus theta. Now cos sine pi by 2 plus theta. Formula is known to us. Sine pi by 2 cos theta plus cos pi by 2 sin theta. So in mind also we can do that. So sin pi by 2 cos theta plus cos pi by 2 sin theta. That is this entry. And sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. Therefore answer will be cos theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is sin pi cos theta minus, sorry, we are doing this, na? So sin pi cos theta, sin pi 0. So cos theta doesn't make any sense. Cos pi sin theta with negative sign in between. So if you cannot do it orally, you can write down sin pi minus theta is equal to sin pi cos theta minus cos pi sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 0, so we ignore this. Cos pi is equal to, cos pi is minus 1, so minus of minus 1 sin theta, which is sin theta. Cos pi by 2 plus theta, plus, and therefore you will end up getting here minus sign, instead of that it will be plus sign, and you will get this value minus sin theta. Can we do it like this quickly? Sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin 3 pi by 2 cos theta minus cos 3 pi by 2 sin theta. Now, sin 3 pi by 2, y value of negative y ray minus 1 cos theta, cos 0 minus 0 times sin theta. So answer is minus cos theta. Three pi by 2 plus theta. Now what will happen? This will become plus, this will become plus, and this will end up continuing to be minus cos theta. Two pi minus theta. Now sin 2 pi 0, cos 2 pi 1. So sin 2 pi minus theta is minus sin theta. अरे बरोबर आहे का? आणि प्लस असेल तर प्लस sin theta. So we have completed. So maybe these many calculations to complete one row, exactly similar calculations to complete second row, and then we can write just reciprocals and divisions, ratios or reciprocals. अरे जमेल का? कुठे? 3 pi by 2 plus theta ला माइनस आहे. Okay, so shall we do second row like this or shall we write down directly? काही जणांना वेळ लागतोय. So let us do it for all, and therefore instead of pi by 2 plus what will be this? This will be cos pi by 2 plus theta. हां तू सांग, what is cos pi by 2 plus theta? Expansion काय लिहू? Cos pi by 2 cos theta minus sin pi by, शाबास. बरं, cos pi by 2 किती? 0, शाबास. Therefore 0 into something is 0 minus sin pi by 2 किती 1. Therefore answer will be minus sin theta. Cos of pi minus theta आता है. Cos pi minus 1, sin pi 0, cos pi is minus 1, therefore minus cos. चला काढा उरलेले पटकन. बस बोला cos pi cos theta minus sin pi sin theta. Cos pi is equal to minus 1. Therefore, answer should be minus cos square. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So, if you do it 3 or 4, then after that you can do it 4. So, what is cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta? Minus? बरोबर आहे का रे? बघा चेक एव्हरीथिंग. इज इट करेक्ट? बरोबर आहे. ऑल दीज एंट्रीज आर करेक्ट and therefore now we can complete the table by tan of pi by 2 is sin upon cos, therefore cot minus cot minus tan cot minus cot. Cosec is reciprocal of sin sec theta. Sec theta. Minus sec is reciprocal of cos. Cot is cos upon sin or cos upon sin for tan theta minus tan theta minus cot theta tan theta minus tan theta minus cot theta cot. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 48 entries there and we have finished all of them. Very very important table and we need to remember it. Okay, so let me tell you the trick to remember. Then we apply that trick and practice how to remember. Okay, we have 4 quadrants. First quadrant is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 90. Second quadrant is 90, that is pi by 2 to pi. Third is pi to 3 pi by 2. Fourth is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Is it right? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So if these angles, if we read, doesn't matter what value of theta is, we can consider theta to be between 0 to 90, and therefore if we consider theta is a small angle, then pi by 2 minus theta will lie in which quadrant? First quadrant. Pi by 2 plus theta will lie in which quadrant? Second quadrant. पाय मायनस थिटा सेकंड. समजतंय का रे सगळ्यांना? पाय प्लस थिटा विल लाई इन विच क्वाड्रंट? थर्ड क्वाड्रंट. 3 pi by 2 minus theta will lie in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. This is first quadrant. So by looking at that angle, we can fix in which quadrant that angle is going to lie for remembering. Not actually, because if theta is 500, it will lie somewhere else, not in first quadrant. अरे समजते का? But for remembering, we are assuming that theta to be between 0 to pi by 2, and therefore if we subtract it from pi by 2, it will be in first quadrant. If it is greater than and pi by 2 plus theta, so pi by 2 plus theta, it will be in this region, something like that. So by looking at these angles, I will fix my quadrant, first, second, third or fourth. Now if we observe vertically, whenever this angle is half angle, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan, cosec becomes sec, sec becomes cosec. So whenever it is half angle, sine becomes cos, cos becomes sine, tan becomes cot, cosec becomes sec, sec becomes cosec, cot becomes tan. So it flips, ratio flips to its corresponding friend. When it is pi, not half angle, full angle, ratio continues to remain same. When it is full angle, ratio continues to remain same. When it is half angle, it flips. When it is half angle, it flips. When it is full pi, same. Very good observation. Okay. So if I want to do any entry anywhere, I will use this thumb rule. So now if the angle is in first quadrant, that is first column, everyone is positive. All positive. Or A for all. If you observe second and third quadrant, second and third row, that is these two rows, then who is positive? Sine and cosec. Sine and cosec are friends. They are reciprocals of each other. So in second quadrant, ratio related to sine is positive, all other ratios are negative. In third quadrant, that means pi plus theta and 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Who is positive? Tan and cot are positive, everything else is negative. So this is our observation. This is T, tan. And if you observe these two columns, cos is positive. Cos is positive means this line you have to follow. Cos and sec, those terms are positive. So ASTC, add sugar to coffee. Kai? All silver teacups, na? Kai? After school to cinema. So, many short forms are there. So basically there are two tricks to remember. If half angle, flip the ratio. Depending upon quadrant, first quadrant all positive, second quadrant only sine positive, third quadrant only tan positive, fourth quadrant cos positive. So whenever we want to make any entry out of these 48 entries, we need to think about sine of that angle, sine of that trigonometry ratio, positive or negative. That will be decided by ASTC, and we need to fix which trigonometric ratio, whether to flip or to continue with the same. That depends on whether you are talking about half angle or full angle. So let us get rid of all those 48 entries and make those entries again one by one. जमेल? आता जरा तुम्ही स्वतः चिंतन करा, बघा कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं. In 5 seconds I want the answer. I will just put my pen over here. Cosec of 3 pi by 2 minus theta. You should be able to say in less than 5 seconds. ते अपील करायचं असतं ना, तुम्हाला रिव्ह्यू करायला 10 सेकंद असतात, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त करू नाही शकत. डाऊट?
5000 पाय प्लस थिटा वगैरे
चालू राहणार, हे चालू राहणार.
सेमच
सेम. आता इथे आपण 2 पाय प्लस बिकॉज टर्मिनल रे पोझिशन ऑफ दिस फेलो अँड टर्मिनल रे पोझिशन ऑफ दिस फेलो दे आर सेम. इथे मी काय 0 प्लस थिटा लिहिलं असतं फर्स्ट कॉलम. 0 प्लस थिटा दॅट मीन्स थिटा. So sin of theta is sin theta na. So this first column is 0 plus theta, terminal ray position is same, and last column 2 pi plus theta, terminal ray position is same, and therefore I am taking care of all values by doing these 48 entries. So are you ready? I am going to ask. आता भरपूर प्रत्येकाला 2-2, 3-3दा सांगायला मिळणार आहे. 48 entries, 18 students. हा डाऊट थिटावर इथे आपण दिस इज द ट्रिक. थिटावर रिस्ट्रिक्शन नाही, थिटा बिलॉंग्स टू आर. हां कुठेही जाऊ शकतो, वाटेल नाही बदलणार, कारण तो साईन पण कुठेही गेलेला असणार, तो देणार बरोबर व्हॅल्यू. आपण एक एक्झाम्पल नंतर करून बघूया. सो दॅट इज वाय आय एम टेलिंग यू हिअर आय एम दिस इज द ट्रिक अँड देअरफॉर इन विच क्वाड्रंट दॅट अँगल इज गोईंग, देअरफॉर वी आर अज्युमिंग थिटा इज लेस दॅन π/2 फॉर ट्रिक पर्पज, नॉट ॲक्च्युअली. For the purpose of remembering this table, we are doing that. Actually, theta can be your date of birth, no problem. तरी सुद्धा it will obey. ठीक आहे. And if it is in first quadrant, we are saying A means all ratios positive. Second is π/2 plus theta. So our base angle is π/2 and you are adding some angle theta to that. That means therefore we are saying that it is entering into second quadrant. And in second quadrant, if you are asking for only sine ratio, then it is positive. If you are asking cos or tan or sec or cot, then it is negative. That is what is the meaning of sine positive here. Third is same, π/2 plus theta or 3π/2 minus theta. They will lie here. 3π/2 plus theta, 2 pi minus theta. Both will lie here. Like that. Ready? अरे ready का? चल सांग. Cos π/2 plus theta.
minus sin.
शाबास, व्हेरी गुड. बरोबर आहे का रे? आता प्रॉब्लेम काय असतो माहिती, वेन वी आय मीन आय हॅव बीन डुईंग दिस फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स. ज्याला विचारतो त्याला येत नसतं, बाकी सगळ्यांना येत असतं. ठीक आहे, प्रत्येकाच्याच बाबतीत होतं असं. सो नाव नेक्स्ट.
-10.
बरोबर आहे. गुड. मायनस करेक्ट आहे. कोण आहे? हां काय झाली चूक, कळलं का? नेक्स्ट. बरोबर आहे का रे? साइन थिटा इथे बरोबर आहे का? बरोबर आहे. नुसता कॉट. बरोबर आहे.
cosec theta minus cosec.
पुढच्या केपेला बरोबर सांगायचं आहे तू आणि तू मागे
minus
मायनस पुढे मायनस कोसेक इथे वर साईनच्या पुढे कोसेक कुठे जाईल मायनस शाबास हां
मायनस साइन
मायनस बरोबर आहे अरे तुझं राहिले का हां सांग तू सांग मायनस कोसेक थिटा बरोबर आहे बरं कोसेक थिटा प्लस मायनस प्लस बघ जरा नीट प्लस करे बरोबर शाबास कोसेक तू
मायनस वन
शाबास बरोबर आहे का रे अरे मायनस कॉस थिटा बरोबर आहे का तू शाबास तू बरोबर आहे तू कॉट थिटा बरोबर आहे मायनस आता रिमेनिंग आता इकडूनच सुरू करूया तूच परत एकदा नाही समजलंय समजलं नाहीये प्लस घ्यायचं की मायनस घ्यायचं कसं ठरवणार ASTC बरोबर की नाही मग आता हा 2π मायनस थिटा म्हणजे कुठे आहे फोर्थ क्वाड्रंटमध्ये कोण पॉझिटिव्ह कॉस आणि त्याचा भाऊ सेक कॉस आणि सेक मग आता मी रेशो विचारतोय तो कॉसच आहे का हवे पॉझिटिव्ह सो यू आर सपोज टू गिव्ह टू आन्सर्स पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह फ्लिप और नॉट फ्लिप ओके सो 2π मायनस थिटा फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट कॉस पॉझिटिव्ह देअरफॉर प्लस 2π देअरफॉर नॉट फ्लिप देअरफॉर कॉस थिटा आता प्रत्येक वेळेला वर्कआउट करून ठेव स्वतःचं आणि चेक करायचं बरोबर येते मायनस टॅन थिटा करेक्ट पुढे करेक्ट
मायनस
बरोबर आहे का रे
कुठलं सर सेकंड ना
प्लस मायनस
प्लस
नाही असं चालू आहे का बरोबर मायनस मायनस बरोबर आहे ना मागे शेजारी सेकच परत शुअर काय सेक थिटा शुअर करेक्ट सांग उरलेले सगळे सांग सर
मायनस कॉट
मायनस थांब जरा तू सांग बरोबर आहे का हाँ प्लस की मायनस काय क्वाड्रंट कुठचा आहे 3π/2 मायनस म्हणजे थर्ड क्वाड्रंटमध्ये कोण असतो पॉझिटिव्ह टॅन असतो विचारतोय कोण मी साईन त्यामुळे मायनस मायनस आणि इथे 2 असल्यामुळे कॉस बरोबर आहे समजलंय ओके गुड व्हेरी गुड sin 2a 2 sin a cos c sin 2a is what 2 sin a cos 2a 3 फॉर्म्युली सांग cos square a minus sin square a 1 minus 2 sin square a 2 cos square a minus sin 2a 2 sin a cos square a cos square 2 cos 2a
cos square a minus sin square a 1 minus sin square a cos square a minus
sin 2a 2 sin a cos a cos square a sorry cos 2a नहीं cos square a minus sin square a 1 minus 2 sin square a और 2 cos square a minus 1 बरोबर है ओके tan a plus b 1 प्लस की 1 मायनस डिनॉमिनेटरला tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. That is tan a plus b. Cos a plus b.
cos A cos B minus sin A.
Shabash, very good. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. अजून काय काय डेव्हलप केलं आपण tan 2a. हां 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan. If we know tan a plus b, immediately tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So a goes, b becomes a. So 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. That is how it need to be remembered. बरोबर आहेत का रे? सांगतोय आपण ते बरोबर आहेत ना फॉर्म्युले? चुकले नाही आहेत ना? ओके. आणि अजून कुठचा डेव्हलप केला होता आपण? 3 हां sin 3a. बापरे sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. बरं 12वी संपेपर्यंत सुद्धा नाही लक्षात राहत sin 3a लोकांच्या विसरतात आणि खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube आणि cos 3a 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a आणि लास्ट tan 3a 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan. We know that in triangle ABC measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180, which is pi. This fact we know. Therefore, now for triangle, if we apply the knowledge of trigonometry that we have in triangle ABC, say for example I want to find out what is sin A plus B is equal to. So what I can do, if it is in triangle ABC this is happening, then I can say sin pi minus C is A plus B. And we have just now remembered different trigonometric ratios where we found out this value. Sin pi minus C is second quadrant and sin is positive, therefore this will be positive, and pi is not half angle, therefore it is sin, therefore sin C. So in triangle ABC, sin A plus B will be equal to sin C. Sin B plus C will be equal to sin A. Sin A plus C is equal to sin B. So sin B plus C will be equal to sin A, and sin C plus A is equal to sin B. But this is important in triangle ABC. In general it is not true. This is true when we are discussing angles of triangle. Then only this is true. Similarly, can I say something about sin A by 2 plus B by 2 in triangle ABC? Find out what is sin A by 2 plus B by 2. Sin B by 2 plus C by 2. Sin C by 2 plus A by 2. So if it happens in triangle, then things are little different because we know sum of all three angles is pi.
So that is not necessarily right angle.
Not necessary right angle triangle. Any general triangle, this is true. What we would like to do is, now everyone should do it independently, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Now this is not x, y, nothing to do with triangle. X, y x comma y belong to real numbers, any angle. And I would like to find out what is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. सगळ्यांना का आपल्याला उत्तरात इंटरेस्ट नाही आहे, प्रोसेसमध्ये इंटरेस्ट. It's simple. Have you all got all the three? Maybe if you get one, you will get remaining two. But then what is a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 in triangle ABC is pi by 2. Half angle. Every vertex angle is taken half. So total angle summation is pi. Therefore summation of all three half angles will be equal to pi by 2. Therefore a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is pi by 2. Therefore a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. And therefore sin a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. Okay, now all of you are doing this. Finished? How many of you finished? Applying formula for sin a plus b and sin a minus b, we get sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, which is equal to 2 sin x cos y. So sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is 2 sin x cos y. So now therefore tell me what is sin A plus sin B equals sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is 2 sin x cos y. Then what is sin A plus sin B? AB belongs to R. What to do? We have to call x plus y as
We consider C is equal to A plus B by 2 and say D is equal to A minus B by 2. And then if you put those values, then we get 2 sin C, sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin C into cos B.
But then I want the answer in A and B, not in C and D.
2 sin cos B.
So what is the trick? X plus y is equal to capital A, x minus y is equal to capital B. So A is equal to x plus y, B is equal to x minus y. And therefore here we have the answer in terms of x and y. Therefore I need to have values of x and y in terms of A and B. Therefore I get A plus B is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to A plus B by 2 and y is equal to A minus B upon 2. correct? So matter over. Therefore the answer for this is 2 sin x which is a plus b by 2 cos y which is a minus b by 2. One after the other. Second because of the first. Chain is there. Similarly, I would like to find out sin x plus y minus sin x minus y, and hence sin A minus sin B, and hence I would like to find cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, and hence cos A plus cos B, and I would like to find cos x plus y minus cos x minus y, and hence cos A minus cos B. Now, lot of work for you, just finish it. The final answers are, for this, for sin A plus sin B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A plus B by 2. Sin A minus sin B, tell me, 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Cos plus cos, 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, and cos minus cos minus sin minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. So these are additional 4 formulae. Now why these formulae are important is because why these 4 formulae are important to us, because they are the formulae which converts summation into product. So whenever we want factorization, we want to have factorization, it is better to be in product form than in summation form. So these are the relations, these are the formulae which converts addition into product form, or if you want to have summation out of product, then you can go in the otherwise reverse direction. Okay, so now therefore maybe it will be good to find out what is sin, or maybe 2 sin C plus 2 sin C cos D equals 2 sin C cos D equals maybe 2 cos C sin 2 cos C sin D equals, both of them are practically same, but let us have them. What is 2 cos C cos D equals, and what is 2 sin C sin D equals? We need to be ready with this formula also, where C and D are any real numbers. So what will be the answers for these?